Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a vodka cocktail. First, ensure you have the right equipment, such as a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, and a strainer. Next, select a good quality vodka. Its flavor forms the base of your drink. Finally, always opt for fresh juices and garnishes to elevate the taste and presentation of your homemade creations. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix. Use your jigger to measure each liquid precisely, ensuring a balanced flavor. Fill your shaker about 2/3 full with ice before adding your measured spirits and mixers. Then, secure the lid and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until the shaker feels very cold to the touch. There are many fantastic vodka cocktails to explore. A refreshing Moscow Mule is made with vodka, spicy ginger beer, and a squeeze of fresh lime, typically served in a copper mug. For something classic, try a vodka martini, simply vodka and dry vermouth, garnished with an olive or lemon twist. Or enjoy a vibrant cosmopolitan, blending vodka, cranberry, lime, and triple sec. The final step is all about presentation and enjoyment. Garnish your cocktail with a fresh citrus twist, a sprig of mint, or whatever complements your drink best. Pour your perfectly chilled cocktail into the right glassware and serve it immediately to savor its full flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.